Hello everybody, I have a very urgent message to share with you guys today. If you want to start affiliate marketing, which is the process of earning a commission by recommending other people's products and services, this is the time now because there is a crazy sale, and this is literally the last time you're going to get to see this low pricing. So watch this video and see for yourself. And also, I want to show you how much money I made last night. It was awesome, okay? So I hope you get excited after you see my results and join me because time is running out and time is of essence. There is no other platform like this. So check out this video and I'll see you on the other side. Hi guys, I just want to jump on my laptop here to show you guys, to record some proof so that you guys can see. People are always asking me on social media, income proof, and it's like, okay. All right, so what is the date and time right now so that you guys know what the date and time is? All right, so I'm gonna go on to the Wealthy Affiliate platform. Guys, this is where I learned how to build my affiliate marketing business, okay? That generates me a business that, you know, gives me days like this where I could make $612, guys, okay? So I'm just going to blur out some stuff here because this is my personal information, okay? But anyway, this is a live snapshot of my behind and what I made today. And guys, I've been here since 2016 and the training here keeps getting better and the platform keeps getting better. And there's a big thing that is coming later on this year. And what is immediate right now though that I want to tell you guys about is the crazy offer that Kyle and Carson is offering all the members right now, okay? So Wealthy Affiliate started in 2005 and they have never increased their yearly membership since they opened. Okay, so this is the first time they are going to increase the yearly rate from $359 to $495. So the new rate will go into effect on May 12th. So before that though, right now till then, till the end of May 11th, they are offering their Black Friday special right now at $299, guys. So they want you to, you know, give you this opportunity to capture and get grandfathered into this low rate. So if you upgrade to yearly now, from now till at the end of May 11th, 11:59 Pacific Standard Time, this will be $299, okay? That means that if you stay on for another year, you keep that rate at $299 forever, okay? So forever you go and get locked into $299. I have this rate because I locked in the first Black Friday I was introduced to. So when I got here, I joined in September of 2016, and by November of that year, I upgraded to the $299 rate, and I've been keeping that rate since. And so there's nothing for me to do because I'm already at the lowest rate. But what I want to mention is that the $299, so I paid, the first month was $19, and then I paid October, which was $49. And I was able to, in my first 12 months, I was able to more than recover my membership, my first year of membership here. And you can actually get my case study of the first 2 years of my business if you upgrade to yearly. That's one of my bonuses that I give to all my referrals. So I hope that you want to also build an affiliate marketing business like I have. And I have built workanywherenow.com using the training here. So this is the training on the left menu, okay? So they have two courses. They have this course and they have this course, okay? So I took both courses, but I concentrated on the second one because I promote Wealthy Affiliate. That's why I'm telling you about it, right? And so, but if you don't want to promote Wealthy Affiliate, you could choose your own topic to go into. So this is the course for you. Like most people do go into their own topic and they go through this course right here, okay? So there's going to be a link around this video, either going to be on the screen right now or above or below this video. So take action in the next few days here, because this $2.99, I think it's gonna be gone forever, because I don't think they're gonna offer this coming Black Friday at $2.99, because their new yearly is gonna be at $4.95, guys. Okay, so I have no idea what they're gonna do for Black Friday. So it is very, very crucial that you take action and do the $2.99 within the next 11 days here. May 1st to May 11th, you have the $2.99 special. And if you don't do that, you're gonna have to upgrade to the $4.95, which means that you're gonna save 2 months of your monthly premium. So the monthly rate remains at $49 a month, with your first month at $19. Okay, guys? And guys, if you want to look at more success stories, check out my profile here, and you could look at my blog here on the platform. So you could also blog on Wealthy Affiliate to do your progress reports for others to see. So this particular, another day I had was another 600 something day. So I'm not gonna be talking about this 612 again on this platform, because that's kind of boring for people. But this I have documented my entire journey here, guys, okay, since 2016. And so you could see some of my struggles back, back in the day, early days. So, but even so, I was struggling. I was still able to recover my, membership costs here. So the training works, guys. And of course, income disclaimer, I always have to say it. My results are not typical. I'm just somebody who took the training and took action, okay? So your results can be whatever it may be. It just depends on you guys, okay? So there's no guarantee of income or whatever. So this is just training that you're going to be buying, okay? You're buying membership to this awesome training. There's so much information here, guys. It's not just the training. There's all these tools, okay? These are all tools. And then you have live webinars every Friday, okay? And then there's keyword research tool that is critical to your success. You have live chat, and you have help center. The help that you have on here is incredible. So please check out the link that you're going to see for this video. Click it, go and take action, guys. It is going to be well worth it. You could be building a passive online income, guys, okay? And it's pretty fun to do. It is amazing to have such a business, guys, okay? It is definitely life-changing, okay? If you've never made money in your sleep, this is it, okay? Just before I go, I just want to mention this other success story that I saw today, or it was yesterday. My first 2,000 in my online business in over 1 week. So in 1 week, he generated in about, I think, can't remember how many days, but it was just over a week. He generated that much money from his website. And you know what's funny about his story is that he actually gave up on this business for 2 months and it started making money. And then he went back to it. And now it's generating $2,000 a week, guys, okay? So it's not just me that is having success, guys, okay? It is other people on the platform in different niches, in different topics, all right? So check it out. I hope I will help you. Oh yeah, my other bonus, I'm going to be your free coach. So if you sign up with me, you get me as your free coach. And I've been a super affiliate here since 2018, guys, okay? That's when I became a super affiliate, guys, okay? So I hope to see you on the platform.